Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to see a top crypto to buy now in the dip. This moment could be your worst nightmare or could be the opportunity of a lifetime. We are going to see why I choose these particular altcoins based on all these parameters. I will tell you exactly what altcoins are, and I'm also going to show you my short position that I did with ADA. I mentioned this short position in the yesterday video about Cardano in the TA part. So I mentioned there, if we break 70 cents to the downside, it was a best opportunity to make a short because we don't have support until 40 cents. I don't think we are going to meet this target, but I started a short position there. In Binance, in futures, you can see an isolated leverage, and right now I am at 255% on profits. You can see it right there. Of course, I am not showing exactly my position, but you can see that it's live right now. So I am probably going to close it because right now we are recovering a little bit. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, if you saw my video yesterday about Cardano and the ADA real news, I did a TA at that part and I mentioned there, you can see the video, if we break 70 cents to the downside, I am going to short ADA in futures. I am not selling my spot positions, so I am still holding a lot of ADA tokens. I am getting that in staking positions, so I am getting rewards in ADA, but that is a different portfolio that I have. If you don't know how I organize my portfolios, you can see this video here. But I started a short position after publishing this video because, like I say, ADA broke 70 cents to the downside, and right now ADA is at 62 cents. And you can see that I did a short position with 20x of leverage and isolate position, and right now is 250% in profits. I already took half of this position when I was in 150%, and I leave it the half of that to run a little more. But right now you can see we are recovering a little bit because Bitcoin held $30,000 as support. So I will probably close already finally this position. You can see this is live here, but I will not share exactly all my positions on the short, but you can see that this is actually a true short position that I did based on the video that I did yesterday. So that is why it's important to see the TA part of my videos, because I usually will tell you what levels you need to sell or buy. But today's video is all about what top cryptos to buy now on this dip. So the way that I am doing this is I am doing a low risk investment strategy. So I am not buying many things. I am not buying node projects, so node as a service project or DeFi as a service project. I am not entering on any of that. Like, you know, I already held a lot of node projects. You can see my list here, but everything is in red right now. So for me, it's not time to enter in more of those projects. Also, I am not going to buy NFTs. These are expensive and need a hype to increase the value, and it's not the best idea in a bear market. Of course, this is my strategy. I don't say that you cannot make money with NFTs in a bear market, but it's more difficult because NFTs right now are very moved by hype. So right now it's not the best opportunity for me to buy NFTs, and the same for metaverse specific coins. But with this I mean specific coins that only belong to a specific metaverse, like could be Polkadot tokens, for example. I am not buying any of that. What I am doing is buying coins, altcoins that belong to solid projects and need to be down more than 70% of the all-time high. If not, I am not going to list those tokens, even if the project applies for the other different parameters, but we need to be in a 70% down of the all-time high. Remember that in a bear market, usually Bitcoin goes in 80% down and altcoins even more than that. So at least I want to be in a 70% down from all-time high. I want projects that have at least 1 year of existence, so I will not buy anything that is super new right now. I want to diversify, so I will buy in different niches, and I want good community support in the project. So all these need to be okay in order to be listed in my top cryptos to buy now on this dip. Why I say on this dip, like with certainty, is not that I have a certainty, but you never will know exactly when is the dip for Bitcoin. So I prefer to cost dollar average. So right now we are at $30,000, 900. So the big support is at this area, actually between 30 and 29. If we break that, we can go really, really low. But I prefer to start dollar cost averaging from these levels already, because we also have a lot of support. You can see how from here we went to the upside, from here to the upside, recovery. We here last summer, 21 of July, this bottom, and we went to the upside. So there's no guarantees that we are going to break 30,000. That is why I prefer to enter some position on this support area. I am not longing in futures. I am only buying spot, this top crypto list. But from here, I will start dollar cost averaging all the way down until Bitcoin or the altcoins hit the bottom. Don't try to catch the bottom. It's almost impossible, and you will lose the train if you do that. So that is why I am starting to buy at these exact levels, that we already have a very big dump. So these are the altcoins that I have in my mind for target. The first one is Solana. Solana is at 76% down from the all-time high. Right now it's at rank 7. The price is 63.51. Actually it's recovering a little, like you can see there. And this is a layer 1 solution. In second place I have Terra LUNA. This is ranked at position 13. You can see all of these coins are more than a 70% down from the all-time high. Terra LUNA is doing it very bad right now, and that is because the USD is not plugged to $1 anymore. So with all this dump, the USD should be a stable coin programmatically for algorithm, but right now it's at 74. So many people is losing their minds right now because of that. And that is why Terra LUNA has been down a 43% just in the last 24 hours. Right now it's at $36. So really, really low for Luna. I don't think it's going to go to zero. I think this is actually a very good sign to buy these Luna tokens. So I will probably start to buying now. This is also a layer 1, and we have this USD dump right now. The third one is Shiba Inu, SHIB tokens. I am not a fan of this project itself, but they have a very big community and they respect all my parameters. And actually they have been doing a lot of progress during the last year. So I really like in that aspect SHIB token. So it's an 83% down, and at these levels I will start to buy some. In fourth position is Vechain. I love this project. We are near a 90% down, but some good stuff that Vechain has is that usually on these big dumps it recovers quickly. When Bitcoin recovers, we have a lot of pumps very quickly to very interesting levels. So at this level I really like to buy more Vechain for my spot position. So right now it's at almost 4 cents, a little down from that. Also a layer 1 solution, different to the other ones, so that is why I really like. Layer 1 solutions are the best that you can invest, and if in the top 100 you will be more realistic, more certainty. In position 5 I will choose the Decentraland or Sandbox, one of these two. I am not sure which one I will be buying. Both are very low on all-time high, are really good positions, and the prices are really good. So these are metaverse infrastructure projects. You know that many companies are betting into the Decentraland and Sandbox. You have banks already buying land in these two metaverse, so that is why I choose one of these two. In position 6 I have Gala and Engine. I will be buying one or both of those. These are for gaming platforms. These are infrastructure tokens. The infrastructure projects is not a particular game per se, so that is why I choose them. And in a bonus, I have ApeCoin that is going really low right now after a lot of dump that we have for this NFT and metaverse. This doesn't belong to the rank because it doesn't apply for the parameters. But if I get a little more money, I probably will invest a little bit on ApeCoin just for the future. I think at some point it will recover and they are continuing growing. But you need a lot of hype for this project, and right now in a bear market it's not the ideal situation. But put your comments below. What tokens are you buying? What tokens or altcoins do you think that I miss on the list? This list is to optimize the percentage that you can earn. I think you have more possibilities to increase percentage earning with these altcoins than Bitcoin. But if you have like a lot of money, I would recommend you to always hold some part of Bitcoin. Even if not a complete Bitcoin, some Bitcoin, it will be good also. So put your comments below. What do you think about this list? What I am missing that you really would be included here? Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification, guys. Well, this is all for this video. Those are my altcoins to buy in this dip right now. Remember to start cost dollar averaging, so you don't need to worry to catch the bottom, which is really hard to do. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.